Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to mute or unmute someone on WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So open your WhatsApp and open the chat or conversation you want to mute and tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on mute notifications. And now select the time you want to mute. So I'm going to select in here always, and you can enable or disable show notifications and then tap on OK. So here you can say the chat has been muted, and to unmute the chat or conversation, open the chat or conversation and again tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on unmute notifications. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.